and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can search new channels in Telegram. It's a pretty straightforward process for anyone who can download Telegram and log into Telegram. Now, once you've got that out of the way, just launch a Telegram app and it should give you a screen something like this. Now, all you have to do is find the search icon at the top right corner. Now start searching for, maybe I say cricket. Okay, the spelling cricket, right? So it gives us a lot of tabs in which to search cricket. Here are the ones related to chats and channels. So these are all the channels related to cricket, and then there's media and downloads and others. Similarly, if you want to search for something like programming, then we're gonna get similar results for channels and messages. And if you want to see more, just click on this show more and you will have all these programming related channels. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.